How to nollie on a fingerboard. First, let's start off with the finger position. So for a nollie, you want to put your index finger at the center of the nose. Not too far off the edge or too far back. Just the center of the nose. And for your middle finger, you want to place it just below the balls, but I like to have it a little bit closer to the edge. And this is my placement for a nollie, what it looks like. Alright, so when it comes to a nollie, you want to make sure that you're giving all the weight or put more pressure to your index finger just to make a good snap, and you want your board to stay level as you're popping. So you want to pop straight down, then slide or drag your middle finger through the pocket of the tail. Make sure you really press down to snap off the nose and then slide your middle finger as quickly as possible, because this allows you to level out the board, land it, and roll away. The same goes for a switch ollie. A good way to get comfortable with the nollie is try to start by using a lot of speed and then snapping the nose down at the same time. Use the momentum to lift the nose up in the air and then level out the board and then land it back to the ground. This will help you to master the popping of the nollie. So take your time with it, don't rush the process, and just keep practicing over and over again until you ended up getting better at it. It's all about progression. Well, there you have it. Now you know on how to do a nollie. I hope this trick tip helps you. I'll see you in the next video, and remember I taught that to you. Itachi Han. Oh, and by the way, we just reached 1,000 subscribers. From the bottom of my heart, thank you guys so much for your support. I couldn't done this without you. You guys are the best. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.